Hi girls, this is Shehla. I'm back with another tutorial. It's going to be a 5-minute foundation fresh skin routine with contour and the blusher. I posted a picture a few days ago and everyone requested for only 5 minutes. So I'm starting with by Terry CC Serum. Sheen to it, which looks pretty amazing under the foundation, and it's the skin a glow like it is glowing from within kind of feel. So it's going to be pretty quick here as I'm talking. It might take more than 5 minutes, but just to let you know that if you are not talking and you are not explaining anything, it hardly takes 5 minutes. The foundation that I am using today is by Shiseido. It is Synchro Skin Self Refreshing Foundation. The coverage is pretty good, but I am only going to use it barely, because if I use it barely it gives a more refreshed film. I got some here, and then I am going to dip my brush in and just go on top very lightly. What I am doing is only taking bits. My eyes are done, everything is done, because it is all about skin. Very lightly, very lightly, just with what is left on the brush. So each and every one of his areas which require more foundation, I will go in and I will apply more foundation to the areas where I need more of the coverage. Once the foundation is there, I will take a sponge. I'm using Laguna Bronzer, dip it in the Huda powder, and then I will go lightly on everything where I have applied the powder, which is literally all my face and neck. What it will do, it will set the foundation in place. I will take the NARS Laguna Bronzer brush, tap of the excess, and I will go higher on the. This is one of the newest tricks that I have learned, and I find it really amazing as it gives a huge lift to the face. Then I will go around here. This is the place where I need most of the bronzer or contour, and it gives a major difference too. Then I go a bit around the nose, as I don't normally contour my nose much. The next step, I'm going to use Confidence in Your Glow, and it looks like it. So I'm going to mix all three and go on top of my contour. Huge brush like this, I will go in on top and I will dust off the excess blusher. You feel that you have taken your contour and highlighter a bit lower, go in with the foundation brush and manage. Time to use this beauty by Huda Nymph Black 40S brush. With this, I know it can be used with a bigger brush, but I like to pinpoint my highlighter at certain areas, and that's it. And believe me, I love this glow. I hope you can see the glow this highlighter is emitting. It's a beauty to use it. Okay, one more thing you can do, I will take this bigger brush, swirl in, tap off the excess, and I will go in literally on top. It will further enhance all the glow on my face. Spray by Huda, Sting Boss Face, and that's it girls. So I'm done for the whole day. This is my 5-minute makeup. This is the finished look. Thank you very much for watching, and I love you all, darlings. Love you.